Welcome students. In this session we will see execution of 2D transaction program. So this is our program in OpenGL in C program. Now let's execute it through terminal. As it is a C program, we required command for compiling OpenGL C program, that is gccl space program name with extension .c space dash link graphics library space dash link with small l graphics library utility space dash l link graphics library utility toolkit. And as we are using some inbuilt math functions like cos, sine, we require to include math library here also. So that's why space dash small l m, that is math library. So compilation is successful. Let's execute it by /e.out. As we are not using after filename.c dash o space output file name, we are not getting here separate output file name. We are getting same output file, that is a.out. So that's why we are calling here with /a.out. So as per our main function, this menu will get printed first. Let's see each and every output one by one. Let's see output of each and every transformation one by one. First, translation. We're going to perform this translation on polygon, which is a closed figure. So minimum closed figure, that polygon is our triangle. So let's take 3 vertices here. Let's say we are having this 3 points, point A, point B, point C. Point A with xy values 10, 10. Point B with xy values 15, 20. Point C with xy values 20, 10. Let's give this as input. Second point 15, 20. Third point 20, 10. The translation factors will be tx, that is equal to 10, and ty, that is equal to 10. We got this output or polygon closed figure, that is triangle. Translated from previous position to next position. The blue one is our original polygon, and the green one is output, which is you're getting after applying transformation. These values are updated here. The first point 10, 10 will get updated to 20, 20 because we are going to add 10, 10 translation factor tx, ty, 10, 10 into previous values. And the identity matrix last will be 1, so that printed as it is. 15, 20 we are going to add 10, 10, 20, 10 we are going to add 10, 10. So this is translation. Let's see next translation, that is scaling. So we will again execute it. without compilation because compilation is already done. So next, scaling. Again, we will enter the same number of vertices. First point 10, 10. Second point 15, 20. Next point 20, 10. And the scaling factor, which will get multiplied with the previous xy values of this triangle, that is xx in sy. Sx is equal to 5 and sy is equal to 5. So this is our output. This is the previous triangle, blue one, and the scaling triangle. So here 5 will get multiplied to the previous xy values. 10, 10 will become 50, 50. 15, 20 will become 75, 100. 20, 10 will become 100, 50. Let's see next transformation, that is shearing. By entering your choice as 3. Again, take the same input. Put 3 vertices as triangle. First point as 10, 10. Second point 15, 20. Third point 20, 10. So here we are having again this option. First, we are going to distort shape of an object with only x shear. So x values will get new values as x dash, the new x values is equal to x plus shx factor, which we are going to give as input for x shear into y. So x dash is equal to x plus shx into y, and the y values will remain same in x shear. So let's perform first, see the output of x shear. So the shx factor is, let's say, 5. So this is what output of our x shear. So according to formula, the values of x will get changed. Let's see y shear. Again 3 as input for shearing. Number of vertices 3, 10, 10, 15, 20, 20, 10. Input here is y shear. So only y values will get updated now. X values will remain same. So input is 2. So only y shear factor, that is shy. So the new y dash value will be given by formula y dash is equal to y plus shy into x. The x values will remain same. So shy will be 5 here. So see here, x values will remain same, only y value will get updated. And this is what output of y shear. Let's see next transformation, that is x and y shear both applied at the same time. So option is again 3. Number of vertices 3, 10, 10. First point 15, 20. Second point 20, 10. Third point. And the option is 3, xy shear. So shx is 5, shy is 5. Both values of xy will get applied, and x and y shear both are applied to distort the image by x, that is shx and shy both. Let's see next output, that is fourth one, rotation. Again we are going to enter the 3 vertices. In rotation, we require the angle of rotation. So here angle of rotation, let's enter as 10. And according to that matrix, this image will get rotated anti-clockwise. Next output, next transformation is reflection. Again, enter the number of vertices 3. In reflections, again we are having reflection about x-axis, reflection about y-axis, reflection about x equal to y line, and reflection about x equal to my y line minus y line. So let's see all at one by one. First about x-axis. So this is what output we got. Reflection of original triangle about x-axis. Then again reflection about y-axis. Reflection about y-axis. This is what output of reflection about y-axis. Reflection about x equal to y line. This is the output of reflection about x equal to y line. Next, reflection about x equal to minus y line. This is the output of reflection about x equal to minus of y line. So this is all for all 5 transformation with all its sub options. Thank you.